Hello guys, welcome to the Crazy Chicken TV. We are we are back, and I've did some exploring, made a lot of stuff, and I found this desert temple. I hadn't explored it yet because I wanted to explore it with you guys. Reason why? I don't want to do too much. Well, I upgrade. Last time we saw, I had wooden tools, but if you see now, I upgraded to stone. So I think we might have a better advantage. I also went I didn't go deep mining. I just was wandering around, and I stumbled around some coal, and I made. Ooh, what was that? I think it was my percent. Made some oh, be careful. Made some torches. Please don't. Did I touch it? Oh, that was so scary. Don't ask. Just, I had to put the volume up. I'm so sorry. Emeralds! Iron! Oh my god. Second video, we already have emeralds. Whoa, no. What I do is I usually put a torch above the chest I already opened. Golden apple! Iron? Okay. Oops. Give me my torches back. I'm gonna stop holding the torches. Oh crap, I need to eat. Oh yeah, I'm sorry for the weird introduction. Welcome back to Crazy Chicken TV. And we're just here in our future town. Ah! Oh my god. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna take the TNT as well. Just in case. It sounds like grass. No, I need to build out of here some way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just use the stuff I collected from them to get up, I guess. Oh crap, so close. I want to use stuff that's not so important to me, what? Okay, that's better. Well, I guess I won the temple. No, God, are you actually serious? Well, oh crap, is it becoming night? Oh no, it's just really cloudy. That was amazing. I think I saw a regular grassy biome over here. Yeah, there it is. Over yonder. I'm sorry if my videos are not good quality. We are just starting and our YouTube channel, and yeah, you know how it feels like YouTubers, whoever you're watching, is how it feels to start a YouTube channel. Really stressful. But you really think you're gonna get like a lot of followers, but from us we realize that that's not how it works. If you're watching this at the time this was uploaded, right now we only have like 2 subscribers. So if you would ring, okay, what I was saying is, if you subscribe and ring the notification bell, you may get a friend request. You might maybe in a video of me. You might be thinking, what was I screaming at earlier? My sound is off, so what it was lightning. It scared me. Oh my god, am I lucky or what? Okay, this needs to stop real quick. I waited overnight and like wherever it was, I like built into like a little hole and I filled it up because the thunder scared me and I got attacked by a drowned as well. So that was nice. I didn't want the thunderstorm to attack the village. So is it haunted? Oh my god! Thank God. They got a big hole there. Oh! Don't mind me. It's leather, but it's okay in my opinion. Who wouldn't want leather armor? In my opinion. I don't know a soul who wouldn't want leather armor. Well, actually, people don't want leather armor because they think it's hello. Hey, not cool. Because it's just the cheapest armor in the game. But in my opinion, I really like it. Finally put my shovel to use. Still need to use this axe and this hoe, and then we'd be all set. Oh, not good. The cheap stuff. This is a really holy village. I see a chest in that one. Hello. Bread. I'm just gonna replay my stock. Oh crap. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go to bed in this guy's house. Because it's the safest we got. Thanks for the bed. Oh, crafting table. We don't need one right now. That guy really... No! Oh, I almost just lost my bed. I don't want this in my hand. I want a free hand. I was just in that chest. There's a zombie. I don't want that. Oh my god. Do I? I don't like it. Oh my god. A saddle. Whoa. Whoa. Just scoot everything over. Bread can never. It looks like I'm being food poisoned, but I'm not really. I'm actually not. Oh, excuse me. You always have to sneeze at some point in your life, right? Actually, I just shut up. Everyone literally sneezes, so yeah. Cringy. I always wonder what these things do. They do absolutely nothing. This is a huge village. It's massive. More emeralds, no way. More bread. Yo, I don't want that. Not sorry, I need that. Well, not yet, but I would like to have it, or I would have to go looking for one. Ooh. I'll take those, I guess. Don't know what you can do with them besides make them gold bars. But, now this house sure of heck has to have something. It's massive. Oh, that's kawaii. What is this? I'll let them keep it. I can craft my own sooner or later. I don't want to steal everything out there, like, village. I don't want to be a bad guy. I didn't check this house, I don't think. Oh, yeah, I definitely did. I would have took the bread. I love bread so much in Minecraft. I have a friend that loves bread so much they literally stuffed a whole mouthful in their mouth once. I thought they were crazy. There is nothing up there, I know. That house is cheap. I have an iron golem. I won't take it on because it would kill me. And I don't want to be killed. Are you joking? They literally want me to die. So they're like trying to do anything to get me in a ditch. This is for villagers who always follow these things. Oh, there is a chest. Good. Oh my god, there's so many emeralds. $30 pieces of extra bread, hooray. This is, oh, that's the last house all the way. Why is it so far? A chest. Oh my god, it was useless. I hope this last one has a house, something in it. I'll go over there soon. I guess not. Ugh. I guess I'll just go this direction. Just take 2 of those pumpkins. Just in case I find an Enderman or maybe just like want a pumpkin pie or something. I think I have enough wood for now, 64. So how are you crazy chickens doing today? I know I'm doing crazy. I'm doing crazy because I've been going crazy. I'm not gonna mess with them. Those are bears. The best. The best killed me. The end. That was a sad story. I know I'm going crazy when I say these stupid stories. So, yeah. That's what I've been doing lately. It's gonna all come from, yeah, watch. That was epic. It created like a whole landform. Like, watch this. Oh no, those have already been ended. This will come down. That's better. Oh, yeah. I think it's been 15 minutes since we've last, been here. Well, sadly, I think this is the end of the video, real end. So, I don't want to say, but I really need to say that this actually might be the end of the video. I'm going to set my spawn real quick. It's right here, so when we see each other next time, we don't lose each other. I'm going to create a chest as well, so we don't, lose all our stuff, because, yes, I did lose my stuff that one time. And it wasn't fun. I had to make a crafting table first, I actually think. And wait. Oh crap, that's why. And then I will see you all next time. If there is one. Dun dun dun. Oh boy. Did I already craft one? I think I did. Oh yeah, I already crafted like 3. Well, I gotta make a chest. And we'd be on our merry way. My inventory's almost full anyway, so I guess we better be doing that. Dump everything so we don't lose everything this time. Well, that's a big chest. I found a lot of good stuff today in this video. I'll see what I found after I'm done dumping everything out. I found a lot of riches. So many. It's surprising for only my second video. This might not be a riches, but I found lots of bread and a bed. I found, well, now this is where the riches start. Surprisingly, 4 iron in a village, a golden apple, 2 enchanted books, a saddle, TNT, 10 diamonds, marine standard, 3 gold nuggies. I wish Chick-fil-A's nuggets were golden. They're not. Well, sadly, this is the end of the video. And it's really sad to say, but I guess we gotta say goodbye. While this video ends, you can look at the sunset. Goodbye. Have a crazy day. Have a crazy rest of your day.